Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Floyd coming back to you with another video. And today I'm just going to be doing some wire management at my desk. I didn't make a video about these LEDs that I have, but I just installed these last night. Got this off of Amazon. It was about $23, $24. And it's pretty straightforward, but as you can see now, with the lights on, it's like amplifying all of these cables. So today, I went to Lowe's and I got some like zip ties and Velcro. Got some Velcro here, some zip ties. And I was gonna want to manage some of these cables, and I just wanted to bring you along the journey with me. So without further ado, if you're new to the channel, if you would subscribe and like this video, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so the plan is to go along the frame of my desk. This desk being a glass desk, you can obviously see everything that's behind here. If it wasn't, you know, the cables wouldn't be so bad. But with this setup, anybody can see the wires from any spot of the room. It just looks pretty bad. The plan is to do the gaming side and not the PC side for right now. Reason being, my keyboard, it doesn't have any, like, it has the RGB lights, but as far as the individual keys, whenever it's dark in here, you can't see these little letters. So I'm gonna have to order another keyboard, and this is basically just my editing PC, so there's nothing fancy. So I'm just gonna get wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, just to tidy up some of these wires. And I also wanted to get wireless speakers as well. These speakers were an afterthought pretty much. I got all of this stuff and was like, oh snap, I need speakers. So I spent $12 at Walmart, and that was that. So back here, all of that stuff is pretty much just speaker wires and mouse wires and, you know, stuff like that. So I'm gonna be switching that out anyway, so there's no point in me really going too deep into it, into the PC side. But the gaming side has all the Wi-Fi cables and, you know, things of that nature. So pretty much I'm just gonna go around the frame just like I did with these lights. Bring the cables down, and along this long tube goes all the way down, and whatever cables that I have dangling, whatever cables that I have dangling down, I'm just gonna try to get them folded this way along the frame and go down this way, just so I don't see it. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I have a time lapse. I pretty much did everything. This is just me after the fact, because as you can see, I'm editing the video. But I just didn't do a good job at the transition. I just went straight into the time lapse, so it was kind of confusing, and I didn't really explain everything. So yeah, this is what it looks like afterwards. But I'm just gonna roll the footage now to show you what the process was. So this is the after effect. I just did the gaming side today. I might finish up the PC side, but this is just what you just saw, a time lapse. I'm probably just gonna speed all this up because this took way longer than I expected. But yeah, it looks pretty clean. But I'm gonna show you basically what I did. Back here looks kind of messy. The only thing I did was, whenever the cables were starting to get kind of crazy back here, try to focus in, I would just zip tie the cables and then I would Velcro around it. And I have my LED strips like adhesive to the frame. So back here it kind of looks all crazy, like a mess. I can't really get too much of a better view. But this is like the receiver for my LED, so I have to have this kind of exposed just so I can get a signal for my remote. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said before, you pick these up on Amazon for about $20, something like that. But you got all your colors, you can change it. And you even got like this different mode where you can slowly change it between colors. And you can slow down the speed and speed it up. All of that. So you're slowing down a little bit. Or you can speed it up. That's pretty cool. It makes everything, you know, unique. Make it stand out a little bit better. Before it was kind of dark and, you know, it didn't have that lively feel. And it's in my living room too, so it kind of accents my whole apartment pretty much. But yeah, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. And I'll see y'all on the next one.